Hey you guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be opening my brand new SD38 locomotive from Athearn, ready to roll, decorated in the NS Thoroughbreds game. A friend of mine actually gave me this. This engine's about a year or two old, and the decoders had to be fixed in it, and I recently was able to get it fixed, and right now it is working perfectly. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the box. As you notice, this is an older Athearn run, as you see here. Let me carefully open up the box. I'll tell you one thing, when Athearn actually ships one of these locomotives, they pack it very, very well. Let's slide this part out. There she is, my brand new SD38 locomotive from Athearn, ready to roll. I want y'all to get a little preview of this locomotive because I will be doing a review of this. This thing does have DCC and sound in it, so it does have real life sounds in it, which I'm very, very happy with. And it looks very, very beautiful. So guys, that is just a little preview of the SD38 I have. Look out for a review coming soon.